You're never gonna believe what we just bought. I'm gonna show you. Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. We just bought the tiniest little lake cabin and we're gonna turn it into an Airbnb. So today I wanna give you a tour of the cabin, show you exactly the plans that we have for the place, plus all the obstacles that we think we're gonna face. So let's go. Welcome to our tiny lake house. We had such a good time, I'll say good time, renovating our previous little lake house. I'm gonna leave a playlist for that down in the description box below if you wanna check that one out. Took us about 9 months to renovate that. It's a 1,000 square foot lakefront cabin, and we've had it as an Airbnb for about 9 months now, and it's been such a great experience. So when we saw this cabin on MLS, we snatched it up because we thought this would also make for a great vacation rental. The thing about this one is it is super tiny, so it's less than 500 square feet. And we're gonna keep it this way because we want to create a cozy, tiny home experience. It's a beautiful little cabin in the woods. It's only steps from the beach. So it's about 1 block from a beautiful beach on this huge lake. The backyard is super cute, so we think it's gonna make for a great vacation experience. So this here is the living room currently. So it's quite large and we're gonna completely revamp this. So we basically have to gut this cabin just like the last one, re-insulate it. This has no bathroom currently, it has an outhouse. So over here, we're going to actually change that area in the front to a hallway. This is gonna become the one main bedroom here. And then over here is going to be a utility room. And then here we're gonna create a tiny bathroom. So we're hoping to create a 3-piece bathroom and tile the whole thing and make it a wet room. So what's currently the living room is going to become a hallway, bedroom, utility room, and bathroom. Okay, and then over here, this here is the kitchen right now. Very tiny, very awkward. This is gonna completely go. And this is going to basically become mudroom almost, a little kind of dining area with a round table. And then over here, this is gonna be kind of hard to see because it's a bit dark. Is there, well, maybe I'll turn the light on. Is there a light in here? Okay, this has no light. This is what used to be the kids' bunk room here, but we're going to convert this to a tiny little kitchen. This whole back wall is going to be cabinetry with a cute little fridge, a stove, and we're going to have sort of a peninsula right here, and then the door to the bathroom and the bedroom is going to be there. So it's kind of a weird room with some odd piping and things. We don't really know what is going to happen, what we're going to find when we open up the walls. Plus we have these original windows here, which we're going to completely replace as well to make this more energy efficient. So now if we go this way, back through this kitchen area and into this room here, we're gonna remove this wall, and this, which was the original primary bedroom, is going to become the living room area. So we're going to have a TV here, sofa here, and that's pretty much all we're gonna be able to fit in this room. But we're gonna open up this whole space, make it the kitchen, little dining room, living room combo, and then everything looks out into this beautiful backyard. So let's go look at that. So we're gonna replace the doors as well and hopefully make them into something with more windows just to let some more light in. And then we have this beautiful backyard here. So we have this back deck here, and then we have a stone patio, which is going to have a little fire pit on it, and then some outbuildings here as well. But come over here, I wanna show you this. This place has an outdoor shower, so if you come over here, we have this amazing little outdoor shower that's attached to this garage. So we're gonna try to incorporate that. And then it's locked right now, but we do have an outhouse on this property because currently it has no bathroom. So we're probably going to be removing this, and then we're of course going to build the bathroom in the cabin there. As far as the interior decor of this cabin goes, I really want to play into its 1957 character. I want to go with a modern vintage cottage look for this cabin. I found these amazing vintage look, mint colored, retro look appliances. I want to incorporate these into the kitchen. So they're kind of my muse for the whole design. Love mint. You know I use this often, and I wanted to pair it with some copper tones because I love that sort of warm meets cool complementary color scheme we have. Add in some classics like subway tile, white cabinetry, but keep it warm with some wood accents, with some nice wood countertops, but keep it also budget friendly. We're probably going to go with butcher block countertops. We're probably going to go with in-stock white cabinetry. Going to use some luxury vinyl plank flooring to keep the house nice and low maintenance as well. For the tiny little bedroom, I want to go with a really vintage look bed frame, add in some sconces because there's not going to be much wall space, have some smaller scale nightstands, some vintage inspired rugs, lots of mint tones, warm tones, maybe do some sort of floral accent wall, keep it kind of cottagecore inspired, but just still really cozy and cute. For the living room area, since this cabin is so tiny, we want to keep the same color scheme throughout. So I'm going to try to keep everything in the mint tones, the off-white tones, and the copper tones with some black accents to ground everything. Hoping to put some shiplap somewhere to give it that rustic cottage vibe. Of course, adding some more nice warm wood accents, some vintage inspired art. And I want to put a pull-out sofa bed in the living room because we really only have one bedroom. So to have that extra bed somewhere in the cabin, I think is going to be really beneficial, especially since this is going to be a vacation rental. So that is a tour of our new tiny lake house. We are hoping to complete the renovation in 2 to 3 months, so make it really quick so that we can open up the Airbnb for summertime. We do anticipate some issues once we open up the walls, but we are going to share every single thing here on the channel with you. About every 2 weeks, I'm going to share an update and kind of give you a real life look at how the renovations are going, and then share the final cabin rental in the end. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're excited to follow along with us on this renovation. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of our plans for this cabin. If you have any ideas of your own, we would love to hear them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm going to leave some more videos that I hope you will enjoy watching next right up here.